Alright, welcome back to the Mad County Build Series, and today I'm going to do a couple-minute show that's going to be an update on the lawn project we got going. We are 1 month into this lawn project, so let's check out the results. We'll talk about it a little bit, but for those of you who are just catching this for the first time, if you're interested how we've got to this point, you can go watch the other 2 videos that we have on clearing and preparing your acreage for grass, and you can see how we are getting the results that we're getting. So let's jump into it. We are 26 days into this lawn project. So it's been 4 weeks since I seeded this down. As you can see, it's completely green behind me. And outside of me watering up around the house, this is all natural irrigation. So about the second week that I planted this, we got 3.5 inches of rain in 1 week. And we haven't had any rain since. So for about 2 weeks, we haven't had any rain. But as you can see, the grass has come up as well as it could have with the conditions that we had. It was extreme. We were in drought conditions prior to planting it, and then like I said, we got that 3.5 inches of rain, and this is what we're getting. So I'm really excited with what we have, and I feel like today we got another 3/8 inch of rain, so that's really going to help this lawn. And we're going into the next 10 days. I think the high is going to be around 70, and we're going to have sun. So this grass is still going to continue to grow. And I've talked with Ryan about this, and what we've decided to do is we're going to do some dormant seeding. Probably put another 150 pounds of seed over this area away from the house, and then let it sit there over winter. And in the spring, I'll hit it again with fertilizer and some pre-emergent to keep the weeds down. And I think we're going to have a really nice yard based on the circumstances we've had. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update on this. Got lucky with the timing, really. You know, it's just a matter of watching the forecast, seeing when it was going to rain, and getting your seed down according to that. Everything up around the house, I mean, it's coming really thick where I've watered it, and it's dark green, and it looks really good. I think that is going to be needing mowing soon. Alright guys, well thanks for watching this quick update on the lawn project. It's going better than I could imagine. As you can see behind me, the yard's looking awesome already. 1 month in, we're going to have a really nice lawn for the first year next spring. So I'm looking forward to that, looking forward to mowing it all and keeping it looking nice, and definitely excited about the kids not tracking mud in anymore. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.